It snowed 3 weeks ago in Maryland, and it is still plenty of snow on the ground. This is just the first day you can see some of the grass. Let's take a look. I'm just thankful that it's not snowing. It's been mounds and mounds of ice and blocks of snow all over the place, and it does distort your mood a bit. Like, I want to be happy. I'm a spring summer baby. My birthday is in March coming up, so I'm looking for flowers to bloom. I'm looking for trees to thrive. I'm looking for green grass. So if that matters to you, drop a comment, let me know. Excuse me?
Talking to you.
That's okay. You can hand me the wallet like the
What's up, man? How are you? I'm just gonna do a thing of apples and
I'll take a pineapple too. That's it. Excuse me? Excuse me, thank you. That was a lot. There was a lot of people in the farmer's market in there. My God, I had a little anxiety attack. It's Saturday, it's not snowing. People are trying to stack up on all the good, fresh produce. Okay, I wanted to vlog a bit in the farmer's market here, but there's so many people. I was about to have an anxiety attack. You know, we had a snowstorm 3 weeks ago, and it's been freezing ever since, so much so that the snow can't even, it's just mountains of ice out here. So on this nice day, and I'm considering 40 degrees to be a nice day, the sun is out, so people are out at the Dutch farmers market. Let me see if you all can see that. At the Dutch farmers market over there, they have fresh produce. I typically buy all my spinach, watermelon, all of my fruits and juices. Where is the pond?